Welcome to Exam Sale. In this voiceover I will walk you through the full syllabus for the Cisco Managing Industrial Networks for Manufacturing with Cisco Technologies exam so you know exactly what to study and where to focus. This exam is organized into 4 domains with clear weightings. Industrial Ethernet networks at 33%, operating the industrial network at 28%, IP networking at 23%, and troubleshooting the industrial network at 16%. Each domain lists the focus, difficulty, estimated learning time, and assessment type so you can plan hands-on practice and scenario work. I will summarize what you will learn in each domain and highlight the most important topics to prioritize. Industrial Ethernet networks carries 33% of the exam and focuses on configuration and optimization of Layer 2 protocols in industrial switching environments. This domain is rated medium, expects about 35 hours of study, and uses hands-on plus conceptual assessment, so you should practice real switch configurations. You will learn VLAN and trunk configuration including 802.1q trunks, VLAN segmentation in industrial cells, VTP in transparent mode, native VLAN handling, and voice VLANs, plus how to verify VLAN databases and membership. You will also master resiliency with rapid per VLAN spanning tree and rep, MSTP for large topologies, STP port fast and BPDU guard, and evaluate convergence times, and you will learn to work with Cisco Industrial Ethernet switch models, configure LACP and PAGP Ether channels, verify PO, and monitor environmental sensors. Operating the industrial network is 28% of the exam and emphasizes security, management protocols, and support for industrial communication protocols. This domain is rated hard, estimates 30 hours of learning, and is assessed with scenario-based tasks to validate practical decision-making. You will learn to implement industrial security including IPv4 ACLs, port security and MAC limiting, secure management with SSH, AAA concepts and radius or TACAX plus control plane policing, and secure access to an IDMZ. You will also gain protocol support skills for Ethernet IP and CIP, Profinet and Modbus TCP visibility, Precision Time Protocol IEEE 1588 including CIP sync and CIP motion considerations, and network management techniques using SNMPv2C and SNMPv3, syslog, NTP, SPAN and RSPAN, iOS image management and Cisco Industrial Network Director. IP networking accounts for 23% of the exam and covers fundamental IPv4 and IPv6 routing, multicast management, and address translation for industrial automation connectivity. This domain is medium difficulty, requires about 25 hours of study, and is assessed through conceptual and scenario-based questions that require clear routing logic. You will compare IPv4 and IPv6 addressing schemes, configure and verify static routes on IE switches, and understand OSPF2 and OSPF3 area structures, RIP2 for simple segments, and EIGRP neighbor relationships and metrics. For multicast and NAT you will configure IGMP snooping and querier functions, implement static NAT and PAT for machine access, describe multicast flow in Ethernet IP, implement one-to-one NAT for duplicate IP scenarios, and verify multicast group memberships. Troubleshooting the industrial network is 16% and focuses on systematic identification and resolution across the physical, data link and network layers. This domain is rated hard, suggests about 20 hours of focused practice, and uses scenario-based assessment to test real troubleshooting workflows. You will troubleshoot cabling and duplex mismatches, resolve VLAN and trunk misconfigurations, diagnose STP loops and rep failures, and analyze industrial protocol connectivity issues and ACL-related blocks. You will learn to perform packet captures for industrial traffic anomalies, verify routing table consistency across a cell, and apply structured troubleshooting steps to restore production networks quickly. That covers the full syllabus for the Cisco Managing Industrial Networks for Manufacturing with Cisco Technologies exam and the exact domain weights and topics you shared. Use the estimated learning times and assessment types to plan hands-on labs and scenario practice. Prioritize hands-on work for Layer 2 resiliency and security scenarios, and focus study time on the higher weighted domains. Good luck with your preparation and study smart for the exam.